Okay, let's see who can do this.
Do what? Oh God, are we going straight line?
Straight line? No. Do a circle first. Who can do the best
Perfect
quarter-sized perfect circle?
Oh. With my shakes? What? Oh man, it's just all cold like this. I haven't done shit all day.
Yeah.
Like,
You get 3 shots.
Oh,
3 shots.
man.
Go.
I haven't done shit. Oh, that's terrible.
Oh. You're better.
Little couple golf swings. Oh, that's worse. That's the worst one. Man.
Come on, 3 more. Go.
3
Just
more.
go quick.
Oh man. Yeah, this is me cold.
Ah, okay. There you go.
It's really like I haven't even warmed up for anything, man.
No, you haven't done nothing.
Yeah.
That's the game. That's the game. What you got, Gil? Can you step right up and just?
No.
Come on.
I can barely trace a circle.
Tattoo today from Tahiti Gil.
I sure did. I got the orange bird.
What do you think?
I am in love. I've talked to Gil about this a little bit, and just to have it come through and my idea realized, and it looks amazing, and I'm super thrilled. And just the tiny details and everything is perfect. It's better than I could have asked.
And was this your first tattoo from?
No, it was not. I actually have another one that I had done 2019. And I mean, it looks fantastic. Colors stayed, looks perfect. I couldn't be happier. I'm a returning customer and I will be for a long time.
Okay, buddy love, it's your turn. 3 circles. Quarter size. Look at this motherfucker.
Well, that would have been good if it stopped. Like,
You motherfucker.
Man,
Go again.
That's pretty
Boy.
good. Shit.
Boy.
Hey.
what was that other one we were doing? The straight line.
Straight line. Pull a
Mate, it was
fucking
just quiet.
line.
We were just drawing straight lines for like 45 minutes. I,
Yeah,
mean, I guess that's
so
what you
bored
guys were
of that.
doing today.
Yeah, the direction. Like I tried to do it like that first. I failed miserably. Oh, he's taking his time. Look at that. Damn, son.
Come on.
Smooth operator.
Ah, man.
That motherfucker, first shot.
Yeah, look
First
at that.
fucking shot.
Whose line is that? I just
That's
straight
his
out.
too.
Fuck you.
And it's his first shot.
Yeah.
Donkey, mate.
The twitchiest motherfucker here.
I know, mate.
That's the secret, man.
That's it, man. I use all my energy up, and then I'm fucking honed in, and that's it.
He's fucking getting ready.
And then he sat down. Boo. This wasn't your first tattoo, buddy.
No, this is my fourth. Yeah, he's done this whole arm.
What do you think now that it's done?
I like it. I'm happy with the green color because I was a little worried about the green because all these fall, the red, black, and the yellow. But I like it. I like it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I got another piece with him on the 30th. So. Yeah.
So back for more, of course.
Back for more fucking pain. But yeah.
How bad was that spot?
It wasn't that bad. There were definitely a couple, probably on the sides, but in the middle, it wasn't bad at all. So.
What happened to your Instagram?
Instagram just fucked me.
Deleted.
Instagram just thought I was getting too much clout, man. I was getting too big for Instagram, you know.
Is that what happened?
I was getting too big. I was overloading the system, man.
And so they deleted your shit.
It got disabled, man. It got disabled. Because this is the second time it's happened to me. I got hacked once, and then around the same amount of followers. Every time I get to about 5,000, I just. University just like, no.
Fuck you.
Yeah,
start over.
Seriously.
So I will put his new Instagram label right here. Yeah. Yeah. Go give Buddy Love a follow. He's starting.
Yeah, I need it.
He's starting from scratch again, so help a brother out.
It's bad.
You get 3 chances.
Oh, thanks. This is my stencil for tomorrow.
Ready to go. I can cut around it.
Still there?
You get 3 chances to do a quarter-size circle.
Okay.
Come on, Lefty. That's a dime. You motherfucker.
Wow.
Okay.
Super clean. Look at that.
Wow.
You're fading.
He's dialing in the quarter side.
Okay, come on.
Damn.
Oh, fuck.
You're going that way.
Maybe that's the secret.
Go the other way.
Oh shit.
Go the other way.
He's onto something actually.
Ah,
You can see
that's
it.
what
He's
it
onto
is. Go the
something,
other way.
actually.
Oh, you can see it. You're not hidden this way. You lose yourself here.
Lose it there,
And this is where you're.
back where you're.
Yeah.
You gotta think like a lefty, I guess. Yeah, there you go.
What the fuck? I'm just gonna start. What the fuck?
Damn.
Those are some of the best ones you've done.
That's a free nugget right there.
Ah, that's amazing.
This motherfucker walks up and just, here, fellas.
I got secrets for days, son. What do you want? What do you want? Right here.
Quarter size.
Yes.
This is your first tattoo ever. What'd you think of the tattoo now that it's done?
I thought the tattoo was incredible. I thought it was a painless experience. I was worried at first, but the adrenaline kicked in, sort of had a great time. Got to chat with the artist and felt good.
How did you find Phil?
I found Phil through a friend, my barber actually, and he recommended him, and I thought, I looked at his art and just thought it was amazing and decided to come in. Thought the experience was awesome, and overall I would come back.
They're almost perfect. Yeah.
So is that what I should have said? Okay, everyone draw a pair of titties. And then you guys all, it's all perfect circles.